Okay, so I started a new QA role, and some of you are asking, how do I start my day? So the first thing I want to do is actually look at my calendars for the day to actually see what's on my calendar, if I have any meetings, and also get ready for my daily stand-up if I have one. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to my personal computer and also look at my day here, see if I have anything I need to do, and also make sure everything's scheduled out. And I'm going to print this out because I like to write during the day. So if I have any notes or all right, then I'm going to sit down and I'm actually going to write in my planner, and I'm actually going to write out what's important, also my top 3. So even outside of my job, I'm actually going to, focus on what's more important. Anything I can't get to is next. I'm going to get ready for my daily stand-up for work, where I'll be letting them know what I did yesterday, what I plan on doing today, and if I have any blocks, any questions, or if I need any support in any way. And what I typically have on my desk is my main computer, my iPad, my Bose box, because I got to keep some good music on. I always have some type of computer or a 49-inch screen at my other home. Then I'm going to print out